Okay, I wanted to talk about how to submit an assignment using the OneDrive app in Schoology. And so as I said before, this map is going to take 2 days to complete. A few of you got it done yesterday, and that's good. And I can work with you on next steps or what we're going to be doing next. You can also take this time to go back, and there's a lot of work that are blanks that you are more than welcome to work on again if it's available. Some of the things are not available anymore, and those things have been excused, but since last Wednesday there's several things, including a post-test and the pre-test, are both still available because they are summatives for you to work on if you have uploaded your map and are done. I'm in Miss McGee's sandbox. Miss McGee is a history teacher in 8th grade, and I'm a student in her box so that I can show you from your view what you will see. Just as a little quick note, anytime you see, these are the assignments in her class, anytime you see like a little square with a pencil, this is an assignment. This is something that you have to do and is most likely graded. So she had a bio board assignment. I'm going to click on that. And there wasn't a description, but I'm going to click on my document. And now I have a notice that says sign in. What I'm going to do is hit edit, see what happens. So when I hit edit, it takes me to SharePoint, and it automatically comes up with the document. So I didn't have to log in. I just hit edit, but as you can see, it took me to another window. Okay, so as you can see, she's given me an assignment. The assignment is a Word document, and she wants me to do a bio board, introducing myself. She's shown me her example of how she created one in PowerPoint. She took this PowerPoint slide and saved it as a picture and put it back into the document. So I went down below and I just added this, but I wanted to talk to you about, hold on. Sorry, I paused it because they were making an announcement. Okay, so I am going to go up to Insert. So this is just a Word document. This is an image. This is an image. Obviously, what I learned is that the marking tools will not necessarily allow you to mark on an image. So as I said in my previous video, you can just do it in PowerPoint yourself and or screenshot it and work on the map as an image. But then when you're ready, I'm just going to go down here. You can go at the top or the bottom. I'm just going to make sure my cursor's here. I hit return, and then I just go up to insert. Insert. This is giving me the option of things to insert. A picture. If I click on it, the picture is going to be on this device because I've already saved it to this device. I'm going to choose the file because I saved it to my desktop, and it is called something desktop. Desktop, Miss Darby's American map. Insert, and there it is. So here's the map that I worked on, and now here's how you submit it. Sorry about that. So now here's how you submit it. So it's done. It automatically saves because it's in OneDrive. When I click out of it, I go back. I'm going to refresh this page. And then I see that this is the document because there is the map and there it is. And now I'm just going to hit submit assignment. Yes, submit assignment. Now she has an updated version of the document, the assignment. I hope this helps. As always, you can just send me an email and let me know if you have any questions, okay? Thank you.